making a diagram. First we have our lighthouse right over here, and then we're going to make our sea level, which will be just like this. And we're going to pretend that this just lines up. And then we're going to draw a parallel line from the top of the lighthouse to represent kind of where it ends. Now, what we're talking about here is an angle of depression. What that means is you could imagine something from my point up here going downwards like that, and your angle of depression would be right in here. That's what we're referring to. So that's our theta, or our angle measure, which apparently is 24 degrees. And then over here, we have our lighthouse, which is 160 feet high. Is this starting to look like a triangle to you? Perfect. Okay, so what we're going to do next is we're going to draw sort of a dotted line here. It's imaginary, just like the one parallel to our sea level. And that's going to make our last side length. So if this is 160 feet, we know that this is also 160 feet. So we can write that in right here, 160. And then what we're looking for is the distance from the boat to the foot of the lighthouse. Oh, we didn't draw our boat. We're going to make that in red, and we're just going to draw our boat in here. There's your boat. Sorry, it doesn't look better. And so the distance here, would you agree, is the same as the distance here? They are perpendicular. They have the same little angle measures, blah, blah, blah. So we can use SOHCAHTOA to figure out what the length of this side length, which we will call A. Oh, that's awful. We will call that side length A. We're going to try that again. So which would you use for sine, cosine, or tangent? I went with tangent, so we're going to say tangent is equal to opposite over adjacent. And we know that our angle measure tangent of theta, which would be 24 degrees, is equal to, what is the side length that is opposite? It looks like it is this one. So opposite in this case would be 24, tangent equals 24. Tangent 24 equals 160 divided by our side length of adjacent, which is A. And so if we do some rearranging, we get A times tangent of 24 equals 160. And then if we want to solve for A, we would say A equals 160 divided by tangent of 24, which we can find using our calculator. And eventually you would get something along the lines of 359.3 feet.